Alright, I'm having to do a part 2 on the pork chop recipe. Cooking video a little while ago. My phone died on me. I didn't realize my battery was that low when I started that video. They've been cooking probably about 5. It's been about 5 hours probably now. This way down there is not too good. But there they are inside the crock pot. Okay. I'm gonna turn this down to the low. Keep warm. Keep the food hot. Let's see. He's good and tender. Good and tender. They're falling off the bone. Ow! Getting tender enough to burn my damn thumb. Hey. This is gonna be part 2 of the pork chop recipe earlier. Showed earlier. Okay. Yeah, they're falling apart. Oh shit, I hope they didn't catch on. No. No, I didn't. Hopefully that didn't get on video. I'm not going to say what just happened. Oh my god. It's some potato salad. Hopefully y'all won't hear that. I won't have heard what just happened. I had some potato salad up at the store earlier in a container. I'm gonna put that over. I'm having that too. I'm the only one here still. Everybody else is still at my roommate's mom's. It's supposed to be like sometime tomorrow. I hope I didn't get on video. There's tonight my dinner tonight. Crockpot Porkchops and some potato salad I bought at one of the local stores. Hope y'all try the pork chops recipe. It's like I said, they're falling off the bone. Falling apart. They're so tender. It's a really good recipe. Y'all have a good night.